We don't care about the house, we only care about you and the house. Hello, I'm Lifeliners. What is the most important thing about a house? Daylight. No decoration can replace the feeling of natural light. Check out this tiny 516.67 square FT apartment in Athens. How to maximize space utilization and lighting. The original layout of the space was 2 studios. Light is concentrated in the south. There is a pillar in the middle of the room. The designer demolished all the partitions of the space. Replan. A semi-curved kitchen. Divide the space into 2 parts, and the columns become columns in order to maximize the light brought into the room. All the partitions of the space all use half-open or light-transmitting designs. Sliding door cabinet in entrance hall. Store daily necessities such as cleaning on the right, hanging clothes on the left. Opening restaurant. The beams surrounding the pillars are wrapped in brown mirrors on the basis of being consistent with the overall tone of the space. Increased reflection of light. The booth restaurant on the other side of the entrance. The metallic paint-shaped partition is separated from the entrance. The design of the card holder can also be used as a storage. Medieval round dining table and medieval chairs reveal the delicacy of a small space. Celebrity signatures from the 1970s inlaid on the wall. Let the space tell its own story at the same time. And the white walls were decorated in a way that wasn't excessive. Custom partitions between guest restaurants. The bottom half is the locker. The top half is a decorative shelf. Effectively partition the space while allowing light to flow. The small sofa under the partition. The size is the same as the custom shelf. Keep the whole. This is the meaning of customization. The customized sofa suspended on the opposite side makes the space feel lighter. The hidden light strip below is also very characteristic. The entire living room is small, but the wraparound furniture arrangement make it easy for friends and family to communicate. Bedroom Changhong glass frame door. Let the light through. Privacy is protected. Sliding glass doors in the bedroom. The structural relationship in modeling is true. Worth a lot of whole house custom learning. Pull open the cabinet door. The drawer cabinet below is guaranteed to be stored. Top half of the clothes hanging effectively allow light to enter the opposite kitchen space through the sliding door. The design of linear light strips is also very unique. The kitchen is designed to be the center of the entire house. Effectively connect the dining room to the bathroom and bedroom. The upper part of the Changhong glass allows light to flow in from the bedroom with a baffle in the middle. Customized cabinets with gold door panels, fully functional. The refrigerator is integrated into the cabinet on the opposite side, also integrated with the bathroom door. Open the invisible door. The bathroom is revealed. Design of large area mirrors and hidden light strips make a small space seem spacious. The bathroom is small, but the style and function are well balanced. How did it go? Isn't this charming little space awesome? It opens up your mind. Don't let space limit your imagination. Long time no see. The small space design that makes my eyes shine. This is in Barcelona. 365.97 feet. 2 medieval style small home. Coordination is full of wisdom. The designer owner is a deep lover of MCM style. 1 person and 1 dog. Found such a 1960s space. It's a strip of space. The balcony is particularly narrow. Entrance bathroom occupies a large position in such a limited space. The owner wanted a functional balcony, so relayout, balcony gets bigger. Minimize the bathroom area at the entrance. Combine dry and wet areas. Creatively divide to the sides of the space. Separate the sides of the kitchen, Corridor layout of manufacturing entrances. Enter the door of the room. The side of the wardrobe that does not reach the top acts as a porch. The wooden panel decoration on the other side both blocks the electric box. You can also hang small items such as keys. Access to the bathroom is through a valve. Lower half of the wooden structure. The top half is covered with art paintings. Against the backdrop of dark red, the medieval feeling came up immediately. There is a plastic curtain behind the toilet. Can store toilet paper and other supplies. Kitchen next to bathroom. The overall wooden structure board seamlessly connects to the lower cabinet of the cabinet. Shape on both sides. Let the different cabinets connect with a clever transition. IKEA cabinets for cabinets. Cabinet plus custom medieval wooden boards. Fully functional. It also integrates a washing machine and refrigerator. The bevel design of the hanging cabinet also avoids monotony. The colors are medieval. The small operating table opposite is also carefully designed. Storage and purse spacing. On the back is the IKEA Valentu from Liyun district. Sofa changed to antique color. With a small table like this, dining and office. Storage and wainscoting around the sofa. Even the splicing gaps are classic. A row of medieval cabinets under the wainscoting. The integrity of the package is particularly strong. Next to the bed opposite. The wardrobe was also remodeled by a wardrobe wrapped in a uniform hardwood board, integral with the bedside storage next to the bed. The design of the entrance also changes the small space. The most classic is this bathroom. Let the balcony in. While expanding the balcony, it also forms a small shower room like this. Medieval burnt yellow tiles, perfectly coordinated into the entire style. The most classic is this bathroom. The side of the sink can also be used as a bedside storage. The remodeled balcony has been enlarged, embedded in this medieval seat. Add side tables and plants. When the sun is shining, this is the perfect spot for office dinners. Knowledge points plan space reasonably according to needs. Structural hard-mounted connections can be used between multiple cabinets. Finished cabinets and custom cabinets can also be perfectly combined. I love this creative old house. How are you in love? An 828.82 square FT penthouse. The designer did not make any construction maps. Create such a wabi-sabi style home. The whole home is built around functionality. Reduce unnecessary styling as much as possible. Maximize the use of space. The design concept revolves around the essence of wabi-sabi. Everything is as simple as possible. Hue remains close to natural neutral colors. The material is also close to natural wood, cotton, and linen. Vine edge these materials. Space design is bold. Beige lime art paint that paints walls and ceilings. The floor is also wooden and partially granite. Instead of the popular bright bricks, the natural materials of space, it blends well with simple patterns. The owner also customized a lot of furniture by himself. This wooden framed sofa and asymmetrical table. It's the master's design. The kitchen is an open kitchen. The entire material and lines are clean and concise. Lightness goes a level deeper. The lighting is also very coordinated with the whole. The room was not decorated with paintings. Instead, its naturally patterned plates, BO, and dry branch reeds make the space theme more pure. The entire stairwell was also painted with art paint. The combination of line lights and handrails is very coordinated as a whole. It's also very ceremonial. Chandeliers and pendants also reflect style and the owner's taste. Embedded master bedroom on the second floor. It feels like sleeping in nature. Two symmetrical doors. One is the storage room. One is the bathroom door. The design of the shape is unconventional. The bathroom's tone and style and overall unity. Homemade laundry cabinets are fun. Put everything related to the washing machine in the cabinet. Go upstairs and open the revolving door on the right. Enter the bright study. This was originally a garden drawing area. The ceiling of the glass is very bright. The whole house is small, but with distinct features. Simple is not simple, fully functional. Did you love? If you like my channel, please like it, subscribe. Receive the latest notifications for videos posted on the channel. And don't forget to like this video.